In F#, there is a very easy way to initialize lists based on some functional criteria. The way you can do this is to define some variable. Let's just call it my list for now. And you would initialize this one using the List.init function. Now, this function takes two parameters. Firstly, it takes a number of elements parameter, in this case 4. That tells us the list that we get is going to be 4 elements long. The second input it takes is a function, and that tells us how to initialize each element in the list. So we're going to define this function here. It takes one input argument, which is going to be the integer of choice that we are on. So this will range from 0 to 3. And what we specify in this function is what is the output going to be for any input number x. So in this case, let's just say x times 2. And if we execute this, you're going to see what we get. So we're going to take a list from 1 to 4, or 0 to 3 rather, what this is going to give us. And then for each element in there, we're going to duplicate or multiply it by 2. So duplicate the value. And you can see that the output list that we get here has the element 0, 2, 4, 6. So we get this by initializing a list of 0, 1, 2, 3, and we get that because we specified the number 4 here. And then we take each element and multiply it by 2, and then we get the final list. So you could easily build up more complex functionalities here, and it gives you a very generalizable way of initializing your lists in F#.